Welcome to Medical Health Institute. We are excited about your journey. This video is to show you how to apply a tailor-made cream specified on your prescribed medications. So typically, you'll find that creams or gels will come in an applicator syringe like this one that you have on your right, or a click system like here, the one that you have on your left. Typically, this would be for like testosterone, progesterone, DHEA, pregnenolone, or any estrogen prescribed by the doctor. So typically, this syringe would be filled with cream, and if the doctor prescribed you 1 gram to apply every day, this is just for the purpose of the video, you would basically push, so let's say the plunger was up to 10, you would put the plunger for 1 gram. And that's it. You would grab the cream, you would apply it on the inner forearm of the arm. It could be applied in the armpits, around the neck, in the inner part of the thighs, or even behind the neck. Now for the applicator click system, you would uncap the bottle, you would twist. Usually 4 clicks would be 1 gram, or 2 clicks would be half a gram. So for the purpose of this, we're gonna do 4 clicks. Once you have the cream, you put it on the forearm if that's the area you wanna use, and you apply it for at least 30 seconds. You wanna rub it in. Reason for it, it takes about 2 hours for the cream to be fully absorbed and about 6 hours to fully metabolize. Meaning if you apply it and you go swim within those 6 hours, or if you sweat excessively, most likely you will be sweating out the medication. So once again, or you either get your medication in an applicator syringe like the one that you see here, or a click system like the one that you see as well here. If you have any questions, please contact the office. Thank you very much. If our doctor prescribed you 2 or more supplements, then we strongly recommend that you buy a multi-week vitamin packet like this one. Reason for it is to make it easier and more convenient for you to take your supplements. So typically you would fill from Sunday down to Saturday your AM and PM supplements. Our doctor typically divides most of the supplements into AM and PM. Or some like magnesium, he would only tell you to take it PM. But we strongly suggest that you buy one of these multivitamin weekly packets. So once you have your multi-week vitamin packet, and let's say the doctor prescribed you 4 capsules of a certain supplement and he told you to take them 2 AM and 2 PM, then we recommend, when you have your supplement vial, get a Sharpie pen and mark down basically how many you're taking per day. In this case, it would be 4. And then you would place AM and PM. Therefore, you know you would have to divide the dose into 2 doses per day. And if that goes on, whether it's 2, you put 1 in the AM and 1 in the PM, and then you would fill in individually each one.